I'd like to show you some of the other cool features that BetterSnipper has. In the last video I showed you how to take quick screenshots or snips using the BetterSnipper. Let's look at a different way to collect images from around the web. I'm just going to drag BetterSnipper off to the side of the screen, and I'm going to open up our web browser to one of my favorite corners of the internet. This is twitter.com/gorgeousgoldens, probably one of the best websites on the internet. Now, I can scroll through here and I can see some adorable pictures that I'd like to save and archive for later. So one of the things you can do, let's go ahead and create a new folder for the BetterSnipper. Let's create a new folder called Goldens. And now while I could actually take a new snip and collect this image, what I can actually do is I can click and drag it. For a lot of different websites, we can just click and drag those images and have them, which is much easier. Ooh, look at these adorable guys. Definitely going to collect them, drop them in there. This guy's pretty cute. He's got a cute hat on. I'm going to drag him in here as well. So one of the things you can do is you can actually select all of your images, and you can, using the right click, bring up a menu which has a lot of different functionality, but here I just want to rename them. I'm going to rename them to Goldens. So now I have Goldens 1, 2, and 3. And let's do something with these cute guys. Let's go ahead and go into an email. Open up Outlook here, and here's an email that I've started already. A couple different ways you can do, you can add those images to this email. You can click select multiple ones and just drag and drop them. In this case, it's going to attach them as files, or if you'd like to actually attach them in place, you can go ahead and click on them, and you can either click copy to clipboard or use the keyboard shortcut Control-C, select over here and do Control-V. Okay, this image is a little bit big, so I'm just going to resize it a little bit here. You can see that it's pretty easy to just quickly just take these images, drop them off, and send them off to your friends. Speaking of sending images to your friends, let's look at another thing we can do. Let's go to my buddy's Twitter webpage here, Corey, and you can see that his image here is actually angled the wrong direction. So we can go ahead and help him out really quick. We'll just go ahead and create a new folder. Let's call it Help, and I'm going to drag and drop his image here. Quickly rotate it using this quick action bar here, and now I can open up a new tweet and drag and drop it and send it back to him. So it's not just Twitter that allows me to drop these images back into. There's a lot of websites all over the web that allow this kind of functionality. So it's much easier. You can see how something that would probably take normally 5-10 minutes to do this, it only took me a few seconds to send it off to him. So this is just one little sample size of how BetterSnipper can increase your productivity. Thanks for watching.